Let's move forward with our Salesforce to Gmail integration. To integrate Salesforce and Gmail, you need to first authorize your Salesforce org for Gmail integration. In your setup org, in the quick find box, enter Gmail. Gmail integrations and sync, and then you can enable your Gmail integration. There are extra options that you can use to further optimize your integration, but we won't be doing any for now. In the Chrome Web Store, you have to download the Salesforce extension. I'll click Add to Chrome, Add extension. It shows you a quick message of successfully downloading the extension. You can go to the Gmail account, click refresh. And soon the Salesforce sidebar pops up. You can log into your Salesforce to connect your org using your sign-in credentials. There you have it. You have connected the Salesforce org to your Gmail account. Now, as an example, I've opened an email. Now it shows that this sender is not part of my Salesforce org. What I can do is add to Salesforce and create an account for this person. It already populates values according to the email sent. There is a CloudQ existing account and it has been predefined as well. And I'll click save. And it has created a new contact record. I can go to my org, refresh. And it shows the newly created contact record. Furthermore, if I want to log this email, I can click log now. And it has logged this email to the record as well. Quick refresh. You can go to the account record, and inside activities, it shows you the email that has been logged inside the contact record. There are additional features like creating new records according to the type, seeing notifications, and searching for desirable records that you want. The Outlook integration is very similar to the Gmail one, except in the quick find box you can select Outlook and enable the Outlook integration. After which you can go to the Microsoft App Source and download the Salesforce integration extension as well. There you have it for Salesforce integrations. Thank you for watching.